Welcome back to Rice.AI Code Room. Today we are tackling LeetCode 2515, shortest distance to target string in a circular array. In this problem, we are given a circular array of strings, a target string, and a starting index. Because the array is circular, the end connects back to the beginning. We need to find the shortest distance to the target string by either moving left or moving right. Since the array length is small, we can simply iterate through all words. If a word matches our target, we calculate the direct distance from the start index and the wraparound distance. We then take the minimum of these two, and keep track of the absolute shortest path across all matches. Here is the C++ implementation. We initialize the minimum distance to -1. We loop through the array, and whenever we find the target, we calculate the forward and backward distances. We take the smaller of the two, and update our overall minimum. Finally, we return the result. For the complexity, the time complexity is O of n times m, where n is the number of words and m is the maximum string length, because we do string comparisons. The space complexity is O of 1 since we only use a few variables. Thank you for watching.